Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making blueberry jam with less sugar, no pectin. I'm going to start to do it now. I got everything here, not too many ingredients, a little bit of maybe lemon juice, just freshly squeezed, and sugar and fresh blueberries. Okay, I will start now. My hands are washed and all of the blueberries are washed. Okay. And I'll start filling up the container. Okay, so this is all done with the blueberries. I'm gonna add the sugar. Okay, that's 8 ounces. Okay, and that's 8 ounces. Turn on the stove on high until the sugar starts to dissolve, and I'll add the lemon juice. I'm gonna start stirring it a little bit. So when it comes to a boil and it starts to foam, that's when I'll start to take some of the foam away, and I'll cook it a little longer because it doesn't have any pectin. And once the jam is done, I'll jar it and I'll put it, like I'll give them a water bath. And I will show it to you once it starts coming to a boil. Okay, now it's coming to a boil. You can see how it went down. So we'll stir it, so make sure that doesn't stick to the bottom. Now we'll cook this on low, like on medium low. I'll cook nice and slow, and I'll come back soon. You see how it's foaming now? So you, every now and then, you check, see? And you can take some of the foam out, and you discard the foam. So we're gonna keep stirring every now and then. Make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Okay, the jam, it's almost ready. It's been cooking for about 2.5 hours now. Looks good. I have the jars ready. I sterilized all my jars, the lids and everything. So make sure you sterilize your jars. Usually, we go with the finger in the middle. If doesn't get like stuck together, the jam is ready. So I'm gonna try it, see. It's good. Okay, so I'm gonna shut off the stove, and I'm gonna start fill up the jars. And after this, I'm just gonna prepare the water bath. Go close to the pot. Okay, one of the lids. I got my other jar ready. See, nice and thick. Okay, now I'm gonna just wash this pot and come back and with the water bath. Okay, see you soon. Now for the water bath, I put hot water in here. You can see. So now I'm gonna put a cloth, like a tea towel, underneath. Make sure the jars are nice and sealed. The water is hot. And we'll just put it like that. And like this, the jam would last you 5-6 months because, you know, it's been boiled again, the jars. Okay, we'll put the towel on top, another tea towel. I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay, I'm gonna take the jars out of the boiling water here. They just finished. Maybe I will open a jar. We're gonna eat it anyways. I have some bread here. It's nice, eh? Nice and thick, but it's still too hot. See? Beautiful. I'm gonna try this one. Delicioso. Yummy. I'm gonna finish this because my husband is waiting. He's outside. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.